Hello everyone, welcome to MudgarClub. I am Anjit Suhag, a traditional equipment practitioner, and this is our video number 8 of the series of Shena Pushup Board, in which we are learning the traditional way of using the Shena Pushup Board or the Takhte Shena in the Iran Jurkhane way. So in the last video, we did the Shena Sharnavaji side leg stretch. In this video, we will learn the Shena Sharnavaji middle and up stretch. If you remember, in the last few videos, we learned a movement in which we do the Shena Sharnavaji middle stretch, in which we go to the middle and then do the stretch. So in this, we will do the middle stretch, middle and up stretch with the push up as we do. In this also we will divide it in two parts. The first part will be the push up part and the second part will be the stretch part. So first two counts is the push up count and the last two count is the stretch count. So as we start, we widen our legs first, and the distance we keep between Shena and our legs in a way so that we can go down and get up without touching the ground. So from here we go down on the Shena and we start. We do the 1 and 2. So this is the common step as we are doing in every Shena Sharnavaji. 1, 2. So after the 2 count, we come up, and from here we go for the middle stretch as we have done in the 6th video. We go down and do the middle stretch 3, and from here we come up completely straight and we do the up stretch. Open up our hands completely, make a slight arch, push our hip forward and look up, and in this way we do the up stretch. We are pushing our hip forward a bit and making a slight arch in our back, gentle and slight arch, not too much, and opening up our hands and chest completely and looking up. So this is the 4 count, the up stretch. And then from here, the up stretch, we go down again. On Shena, we do 1, 2, we do the middle stretch 3, we do the up stretch 4. We go down on Shena, come 2, downward dog pose, come up, do the 3, middle stretch, and then 4, the up stretch. So in this way, we will do the Shena Sharnavaji middle and up stretch, or you can call it the 4 count middle and up stretch. So as we do the Shena Sharnavaji middle and up stretch, we will try to do it in different angle, and before that, let me show you that how it will look like in the real time if we do it without taking the break. We widen our legs. From here, we go down on Shena. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, we do the 4 count middle and up stretch, or Shena Sharnavaji middle and up stretch. Now we will do it 10 times from the different angle. So let's start from the front angle first. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will do the same from the side angle. Widen your legs, the starting position. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was the Shena Sharnavaji middle and up stretch. In the next video, we will learn the different way of the Shena Sharnavaji, or using the Shena Pushup Board or Takhte Shena. Thank you. See you in the next video.